Hi, hello and welcome to Nutritrack. Today's video is on the chewy, fiber-rich barley. This cheap and easily available ingredient is rich in beta-glucan, which helps in digestion and improves the good bacteria in the stomach. It also reduces cholesterol and improves the insulin action in the body and helps to maintain the blood sugar levels. There are various research papers on the beneficial effects of barley on diabetics and weight loss. As it is very fibrous, it gives a feeling of fullness and stops the in-between binging or prevents the junk eating. It cannot be taken for those who are gluten sensitive, but it can be taken on a weight reducing diet, especially the hulled barley, which is similar to the brown rice with the bran is more fibrous than the regular pearl barley. It is important to soak the barley at least for 6 to 8 hours before cooking as it contains anti-nutrients. These are substances that prevents the absorption of the essential nutrients. And it is important not to discard the broth or the water it is cooked along with. Now let's check out this mixed veggie pearl barley soup that serves for 4. As you can see, it is rich in protein and fiber and it is low in calories and carbohydrates. Bay leaf and cinnamon has compounds that reduce body fat and gives a mild flavor to the soup. If you prefer stronger flavor, you can sort it with the veggies. This soup can be served to children who have constipation issues and it is also heart healthy. Do give it a try and let us know. Hope you liked this video and thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe to Nutritrack and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Eat healthy and stay healthy with Nutritrack.